So today you're shopping for a Whirlpool refrigerator. We have a lot of good options here at Dawn's Appliances. We're just going to go over some key features that would drive you into making a purchasing decision for any of these models. Right here, we're looking at a Whirlpool French door model with the 4-door configuration on the front. Ice and water through the door, fingerprint resistant stainless steel interior. When you open it up, we have an all new interior. Whirlpool just replaced these models here in 2025. We have some split shelving to make room for the giant ice hopper. You're going to have a lot of ice capacity in this machine. Adjustable humidity crispers. And then down in your drawer, you can actually adjust that temperature as well between produce all the way down to deli. Having that extra level of division and putting that deli drawer down into its own pull-out drawer on the outside of the machine has been a really popular feature these days. And then you have your pull-out freezer here with tons of storage, 2-level shelving, a little bit of adjustability in the width as well. This is about 25 cubic feet overall, so we'd call this about an average capacity French door refrigerator. If you're more of a side-by-side person, right here we have one of our most popular side-by-sides over the years. It's also a Whirlpool. 25 cubic feet, external ice and water, fingerprint resistant stainless steel finish, dual paddle dispenser on the front. But really the big story here is on the interior with all this organization, all this extra shelving, tons of door storage, 3 crisper bins on the refrigerator section, a huge ice maker bin so for all of your ice needs, and still sneaking in some door storage despite that really deep freezer section. Or maybe your current refrigerator's up against the wall on one side. You are a great candidate to be shopping for a Whirlpool bottom mount refrigerator. The big key here is one single swing door up here on the top. This model right here is 33 inches wide. It's 22 cubic feet. You have crisper bins, a deli tray built into one of your cantilevered shelves, plenty of door storage, a very simplistic design. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Whirlpool has had this platform for years and years. We've been selling it for years and years, and it's been a very, very reliable piece. Another great add-on is the fact that it is going to have a factory installed ice maker, and it's on an additional kit for an additional cost. So when you're shopping for Whirlpool refrigerators, come on into Dawn's Appliances. Whether it be French door, side-by-side, bottom mount, top mount, full depth, counter depth, regardless of width, we will find something that's going to fit your home and your lifestyle perfectly.